Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing about supply chain sustainability and ethical consideration. So, supply chain sustainability and ethical consideration involves the integration of environmental, social, and ethical principles into the management of supply chain domain or activities. So now, talking specifically about the supply chain sustainability, then supply chain sustainability refers to the adoption of activity practices and strategies that promotes uh, uh, that usually promotes environmental responsibility, social equity, and economic viability throughout the entire supply chain life cycle. So, this basically includes minimizing environmental impact by reducing resource consumption, optimizing energy efficiency, minimizing waste generation, and adopting eco-friendly practices such as sustainable sourcing and transportation. So, now a social sustainability aspects involves ensuring fair labor practices, promoting work health and safety, and respecting human rights and supporting community development initiative within the supply chain in the life cycle domain or industry. So, and the third comes is economic sustainability, which is this basically focuses on fostering long-term profitability and resilience by optimizing resource utilization, reducing cost through efficiency improvements, and fostering innovation and collaboration among the supply chain partners. So these are all about the supply chain sustainability. And now if we'll talk about specifically the ethical consideration in the supply chain. So ethical consideration in the supply chain involves upholding ethical principles and values in all aspects of supply chain management, including sourcing, production, distributions, and disposals. So, this includes ensuring fair treatment of workers throughout the supply chain, such as providing safe working conditions, fair wages, and prohibiting forced labor or child labor into the industry. So, this ethical sourcing involves selecting suppliers and partners who adhere to ethical standards and values such as respecting human rights, labor rights, and environmental regulations. And the very important point, into this ethical consideration, which is transparency and accountability. So, this transparency and accountability are essential aspects of ethical supply chain management, as businesses are expected to be transparent about their practices and accountable for any violation of ethical standards. So, by integrating supply chain sustainability and ethical consideration into their operations, so then businesses can not only minimize negative impact on the environment, but also like a society like on the environment it but it also enhances the reputation and mitigate risk, improving the efficiency and creating long term values for all stakeholders involved. So this is all about the supply chain sustainability and ethical consideration in supply chain domain. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.